Good morning, students. Let us see. Today we will discuss about the endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum is a type of cell organelle that is present in the cell. If you will see the structure of cell, I have done roughly. Then this is the cell membrane or plasma membrane. In center part, this is the nucleus. And this network like structure that is present in the cell from nuclear membrane to plasma membrane, this is the endoplasmic reticulum. This structure is endoplasmic reticulum. Students, simply we can say that this endoplasmic reticulum give a particular shape to cell, due to which it is known as cytoskeleton of cell. This endoplasmic reticulum is known as the cytoskeleton of cell, or called as the cytoskeleton of cell. The reason is that, like skeleton, it also provides a particular shape to cell. This is the reason it is called as cytoskeleton of cell. This endoplasmic reticulum extends from this nuclear region to plasma membrane. This nuclear region to plasma membrane. Simply we can say that this endoplasmic reticulum is same as the plasma membrane. I have written this endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane bound tubules and sheet. At some places these membranes are connected with the plasma membrane at one end and with the nuclear membrane at the other end. We can see here it is connected in both sides. From one end it is connected with the nuclear membrane, and other end it is connected as the plasma membrane, due to which it provides a particular shape to cell. And this endoplasmic reticulum can exist into three forms, students. In your chapter it is not given. It can exist in three forms, like cisternae, tubules and vesicles. Cisternae, these are the flattened sac-like structure, and on these sac-like structure you can see there are grain-like structures. These grain-like structures are the ribosomes. The other is tube-like structures, that is long tube-like structure, and these are called as tubules. And the third form of endoplasmic reticulum is vesicles, that is oval inside, oblong or oval inside. These are the vesicles. Simply we can say that these tubules and vesicles, you can see, students, these tubules and vesicles help in the formation of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. I have mentioned here there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and other is SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This RER and SER is formed on the basis of presence of ribosomes on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. Let us see the flattened sac-like structure, cisternae. This cisternae has the grain-like structure. These grain-like structure are, simply we can say that due to presence of these grains are the ribosomes. Due to presence of these ribosomes on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, it is called as RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. And anyone can ask the question, why the endoplasmic reticulum is known as RER and SER? RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, is rough due to presence of ribosomes, and these ribosomes are helpful in the formation or synthesis of protein. As we will study that ribosomes help in the synthesis of protein. RER, the second one is SER. You can see, students, that this RER is made up of cisternae. You can say that this RER is made up of cisternae. The reason is that there are grain-like structure. Due to these grain-like structure, it is rough. And SER, this SER is made up of tubules and vesicles. And the surface is smooth. The reason is that there is no grain-like structure, there is no ribosomes on the surface of this SER or smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, is help in the synthesis of lipid or fat molecules. This SER help in the synthesis of lipids or fat molecules. We will see the function of RER and SER. Let us see students, this RER, simply we can say, help in the synthesis of protein, and that synthesized protein is transported via the endoplasmic reticulum and other cell organelles like Golgi body to different parts of cell or different cell organelle where there is necessity of protein, and this SER which synthesize the lipid or fat molecules are also associate with the secretion of lipids and steroidal production which contain the enzyme that toxify the variety of organic molecules. Students, it stored the calcium ions in the skeletal muscle cell also. We will see about the RER and SER in a further topic also. I have to erase this. Let us see. Now we have to discuss about the function of this endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of this endoplasmic reticulum? We will see. This endoplasmic reticulum, students, one thing I want to tell you, that this endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome and vacuoles are under endomembranous system. One question arises that what is the endomembranous system? There are many cell organelles in our cell which are different in structure, but they are coordinated in function in many ways, due to which they are known as the endomembranous system, and that in that endomembranous system there is the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome and vacuoles. Mitochondria, ribosomes are not under the endomembranous system. Now the function of endoplasmic reticulum. Function of ER. Students, as we have studied, this endoplasmic reticulum provide a particular shape to the cell, due to which it is known as the cytoskeleton of cell. Now we have to study about the function of endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum provide, one by one we will write, reticulum provide the mechanical support. Point wise we will provide the mechanical support to cell. Second one, as we know that it helpful in the formation of protein and lipids, we can write here its channel form the intercellular transport system. Its channel form the intercellular transport channel. In third point, here we can write, in third point we can say that it form the new nuclear membrane. It form the new nuclear membrane after every cell division. After every cell division. Let us see, students. These are the functions we can write also. It also function as cytoplasmic framework. Cytoplasmic framework. Not only this, students, this endoplasmic reticulum is also helpful in the formation of cell membrane, due to which we say that this endoplasmic reticulum helpful in the membrane biogenesis. Panchwa, it is helpful in membrane biogenesis. Membrane biogenesis. How can we say? Let us see, students. This function of endoplasmic reticulum, as we have studied that this endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, RER and SER. The RER is function as the formation or synthesis of protein, and that protein is transported to the various activity, transported for the various activity to different part of cell. And the SER, which form the lipids or fat molecules, that SER is helpful in the synthesis of lipid, and lipid is, we know that the plasma membrane is the lipid of made up of lipid and protein. Let us see, these are the different functions. I have mentioned here one word, membrane biogenesis. This is the most important question, students. Sometimes it asks in the exam. This membrane biogenesis, this endoplasmic reticulum is helpful in the formation of membrane, plasma membrane during cell division, due to which it is called as the membrane biogenesis. Not only this, students, it is also helpful to detoxifying the poisonous substances. It is helpful to detoxifying the many poisonous substances and drugs. Then we can say, students, these are the function of endoplasmic reticulum. We can mention here that it helpful, it detoxify the poisonous substances and drugs. In next video, we will see about the other cell organelles like Golgi body, etc. Thanks.